Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Yummy Arts Live. Woohoo! Yeah.
Jazz hands.
Jazz hands, that's good. Yeah, we are very happy and excited to present Chef Charity. Yay! She's going to show us a really killer Easter project, and we had a little bit of technical difficulties, so we're going to jump right in. Ladies and gentlemen, Chef Charity.
Hey, hello everybody.
Hey.
We are here at my father, it's Pikel's Remodeling, my father's brand new showroom kitchen for demonstrations.
Woo-hoo.
So this is the first time we're breaking it in, so bear with me there. And I'll be honest, this is the first time I've ever done a class of this nature, one, live. Done plenty of other TV junk, but not a class like this live. And then two, I hope you all understand you're getting a super amazing deal today because you're getting inside cake and outside cake all in one class, which
Excellent.
Never happens. So you're getting like 2 for 1.
Will there be like extras, like pieces or shards, cake shards?
Very little.
Okay.
Very, very little. In
All
fact,
right.
I'm hoping I can get this tall enough because my interns didn't quite
It's all right. If there's any
bake me enough, but that's okay. We're going to work with it.
if there's any tasting necessary,
Yes.
I'm here for you.
Okay. I think you posted the recipes already,
Yep.
right?
Well, if not, we'll put them there right away.
Okay. So this is my orange carrot cake, one of my favorites.
Excellent.
And I like to play with my recipes, and I'm not a fan of walnuts, so I did chopped hazelnuts in here, which is very yummy. Because frankly, my family's going to have to get to eat this on Monday night for my father's birthday.
Excellent.
So we had to make it something we were going to eat. All right, so we're going to jump right in. I also have Swiss meringue buttercream that's ready to go, and my cream cheese buttercream, which will also be posted if it hasn't already.
Excellent.
Okay, let's see if I can I've got a cardboard cake board on the bottom, and then I have what I call a prep board. So this is a masonite board that I put on top of my cake wheel. So, and you'll see why we need to do that in a few minutes.
How big is that cake?
This is a 10.
10 inch?
Yeah.
Great, thank you.
Probably should have made it an 8, but that's okay. So I score around the outside first, and then I continue to go through and go around in the middle to get all the way through. Like that.
Nice.
And we're going to do the next one. I don't know if you can see that very good, but I just score partially going around. This does take a lot of practice, so please, I'm sorry if I'm making it look way easier than it is.
You do make it look pretty easy there.
25 years in.
There you go.
25 years of doing this is kind of, that'll do that to you. We're going to shave off a little bit here of this dome, just a tad. I'm going to shave down a little bit more.
Sure looks good.
Oh, it smells really good. I wish I had smell-o-vision.
Smell-o-vision. We'll have to invent that.
Smell-o-vision. Yeah.
So that looks like a scrap to me. I don't know. But
It might end up being a scrap.
Yeah.
We'll see. It could.
I'm here to help.
I know. And I will let you help.
You say that it's tasty, but
Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. I want to eat it.
And also a fan of hazelnut.
I don't usually want to eat much, so.
Okay.
All right. So this guy is all the way through. I'm going to trim. Am I? No, I'm not. No, that's going to be the top. Okay. Sorry if I'm talking to myself. Okay. So I do soak many of my cakes, but this carrot is so moist, I do not soak it, which means with a simple syrup with flavor. Let's double check we got this going on. Okay, we're good there. Got our pastry bag. Heck, even that smells good. Okay.
That's a big bag.
Okay, so first we pipe our, what I call a dam. Keeps all of our filling in. Notice how I'm not pushing it down. I want the exact size of this tip to be the size of this ring.
What tip did you use?
I've got a 13 millimeter. We have a whole calculated thing for my shop that we use what size layers the cake are versus the rings versus the cake versus the rings versus the cake, and then the outer frosting plus fondant if needed. So it's all a large calculation. You can do it however you want.
Gotcha.